guys, G'day, orchid lover here in Australia. Now we're gonna wash these all orchids now that I show you in the unboxing. So to remove all the dust, they're too big for my sink inside and they're dusty, so I don't want to contaminate our sink with them. So I wash them like that just to remove the dust and whatever. I found one of the orchids also purple. One or two of them got a spider on them, spider web and some kind of white insect. So I removed them, but it's not very bad. Just one or two patches of leaves. Now they look very happy, and I tried them up. And as soon as I did it, I don't have to show it to you one by one. Just after you just showed it to you, just a simple one, and I already did the other rest. This is the last part, the last orchids that I need to wash today. And after this, I got one in my hand in the camera, and one from the hose. See here, one from the hose. I'm hosing them, and actually I have to open up this with the water. I will do it this soon and speak like this one by one. And I didn't do anything, I just cleaned that one here a little bit. That's what I did. And inspect here. For now we can't put this in the pot yet because we are waiting for the pot to come. So I have to remove that here just to brace them because it's very heavy. Small pot with very heavy, beautiful orchids. That's the name of this. Now it's clearer than this camera than the other one. So that's the one. See, can you see the name? That's the name of this orchid. Yeah. Gotta put it back so I don't lose the name tag. I don't name my orchids yet, so it's alright. I'm just gonna wash this in the normal tap. Our tap water is pretty good. It's not very toxic that a lot of them really main city is. But we're not in main city anymore. Okay, I'm gonna check this one by one here. That's what I did, just to taking care of your plants. That's how I clean them. And when I see some worse orchids, but so far I didn't see worse of them, the one that I unboxing. So they're pretty good. I'm happy to share this with you guys, how I did it to clean this one. Bear with me, huh? I got one hand camera and one hand with the hose. So I'm using it, but I don't totally agree this. I just try this through the full sun, at least 5 minutes, and that's it. I have to open this, remove this one here, and put this in the beautiful pot, throw the water up. Yeah. Actually, after I'm making this video, I'm gonna clean this more and inspect thoroughly the leaves like this. I do it one by one. Inspect it thoroughly. So whatever happened in here, you wanna goes to our other collections. But I can see they're pretty good. It's just dusted in the bottom. As soon as I put it down, I'm gonna inspect the leaves one by one and dry them up, or use the kitchen towel to wipe them one by one. Inspect them thoroughly, what's in the inside. Yeah, it's the roots over there. Nice and healthy roots. Really, really healthy orchids. And we are very happy. We are very pleased with our purchase from the company somewhere in Queensland, Brisbane. Good one, and I really recommend it to anybody. It's called Mount Tambourine Orchid. They are in Facebook too. So guys, check them out. I know they are not sponsored for our orchids. For 6 of them or 7 of them orchids, I believe. It's very worth it. So right, I thought we deserve it to make happy ourselves. We don't have any vices, so this is only the thing that we do. A really good hobbyist, and my partner is pretty awesome. He gave this to me. It's my collection. I love him too much. I'm pretty lucky am I, so I guess he is the same to me. So it's really nice orchids, and I really like this. Very pleased for this orchids. So this one too. See, as I told you last time when I'm taking this unboxing, she was kind of a bit sad flowers, doesn't she? And I told you guys it will be recovered, and voila, a little bit sad here just because probably the trouble through the big truck delivery. They actually send it in the postage via post office mail, so probably that's how it is. It's a long way considering, but it's still pretty good. But I guess when you order just spike with the open flower, that's another pretty awesome to order too. But of course, when you order the orchids with already full bloom like this one, of course you have to expect some of the petals or some of flowers turn like this. The rest is pretty good. Like for instance, this one, she's awesome flowers. She didn't look sad at all. I like this. I really like this color. Very good. Look at that. So awesome. I really fall in love with this right away when I see the beading. I was the first one that I like it, and many people want it. Sadly, when you do bidding, they only sell one. So who is the lucky one? It is me. I will just share the happiness with you guys. The real happiness for collecting the beautiful, lovely orchids. Yeah, I like them. So I'm not only collecting the orchids, I'm collecting sort of vegetables too. So nowadays is coronavirus going on, lurking still around in our country. It's anywhere in the world, and a lot of people. Yeah. I'm collecting some vegetables too. We have a lot of chocos and Malabar vegetables, lemongrasses, pumpkins, and a sort of herbs too, like parsley, basil, and the other tomatoes, and the rest is just other one in the greenhouse. Anyhow, we come back to this. That's how we fight our boredom in home. All right. So you have to be safe, everyone. Always follow what the advices of government, like social distancing. We have in this together, so we have to be patient, very patient with this virus, so everybody will be safe. And after I finish this talking, don't worry guys, I have to check it one by one and wipe this with the toilet, with the not toilet paper, with the kitchen towel tissue. Kitchen towel. I'll dry them up and put them under the sun at least 5 minutes, not very long. Anyhow, the sun is not very strong anyway compared to real summer, so should be still fine, because that's too many particles from that newspaper last night that we've been showing it to you when we do unboxing. Oh, look at these bulbs. They're so really healthy, and we are really pretty pleased. Once again, we're really pretty pleased. I saw one little spider here. Really pleased with our order from this mob here, somewhere in Brisbane, Queensland. We are actually in the Mount Tambourine. We call it Windmere Farm Sales. They are actually in the Facebook sales too. So guys, visit their website. I'll probably have to put in the link down below as well, so all my Australian people see this, and in case you guys wondering where about my orchids, alright, I just put this link down below. It's not sponsored. it's really come actually in our pocket. So I'm just happy to share this with you guys. We are totally honest with you, so you know where it came from, and pretty good. I want you guys to be safe and always social distancing for a while. Just for a while. We have to be patient for this one. And I'm gonna show you the rest as well. The one that I already drying up in the sun. Actually, I put this outside here in our veranda. Lovely veranda. Nice full sun. Not very full sun, just the sun over there. It's good. Okay guys, this have to be really dry thoroughly. Just put this in the sun for 5 minutes or so. Don't get it to take too long, otherwise this one will be quickly to gone. The flowers. It's just to get all of these things going on. See, this is how you're taking care of your orchids, everybody. My lovely viewers there watching this one right now, this is how we're taking care of the orchids. We inspect this from the nursery we bought. We inspect them thoroughly. If you find some like this, you're gonna put the the antibacterial thing, like this one, just to spray just that part, like this one, to dry up with a big thing, so it won't really hurt. Okay. Okay guys,